Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the tips and tricks I'm going to show you today here is with the snipping tool. So the snipping tool is, of course, the tool that you can use to create, take a snapshot of the screen or just part of the screen. For example, you can say I want to have, a rectangle. So here's new. I'll just take this. And there you go. You'll have that part of the screen on wherever you are looking at something. It's a great way to, for example, take a snapshot of a picture that maybe you've noticed that a website has locked, and so on. So there's a lot of things you can do. You can record video, but this video is going to actually show you something different. So when you use the snipping tool, one of the things that it can do that a lot of people don't know is extract text. So for example, it could be anywhere. It could be on a website within a picture. What you do is if there's text within a picture, for example, like this, you cannot copy paste the text. It's embedded within the picture. But the snipping tool can actually extract it. So what you do is you click on the icon here to the right that says text extractor, and you click here. You simply choose the text, and after a few seconds you can copy all text. Now, where is it when you're going to have been done? It's on your clipboard. Remember that Windows and V. So look at that. You got it here. Want to hear a bad cat joke, which I just extracted from here. And it works on a website. It works on so many things where embedded text is on a picture. For example, you might see some nice poem or something from a website or a picture. Then what you do is you just go to the snipping tool once again, and you say, I want to extract the text. And here, I'm going to choose all of this like that. And here we go. And some text takes longer than others. You can see that is actually, I've been able to take the text out, copy all text. And once again, this is going to be on the clipboard and here. And if you want to paste it somewhere, well, let's say I'm going to open my Word. Here we go, blank document, and I want to paste something. So I'm going to go to the clipboard and say that I want to paste this. So I'm just going to click on it to have it on my word processor. So here we go. Sunset is the beauty of the sunset that captivates the stars which sparkle, and so on, so on, so on. So easy way to extract text from pictures anywhere on a website, in a picture you might have on your PC that you saved. This is definitely a great little tool that a lot of people don't know exists in Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.